it's midsummer here in New Jersey and my garden is thriving. This morning I picked these beautiful eggplant and today we're going to make a yummy recipe, eggplant rollatini. Alright, so we're going to begin by taking our eggplant, cutting off the top and also the bottom. Just enough so that it can stand up on its own. Okay, we're going to cut this lengthwise. While our eggplant is resting, we're going to start on the filling. And what I've done is I've taken 2 pounds of ricotta and I've strained it so that we don't get a lot of water in the dish. Okay, I've used coffee filters, put the ricotta in, a strainer, and as you can see, this is the excess water. Okay, so we're going to take this out of the strainer and we're going to put it in a bowl. Okay, peel that away and put that aside. And we're going to mix in 2 eggs. Mozzarella, grated cheese, fresh parsley, and a little salt and pepper. And we're going to mix this together. Okay, so the ingredients in our filling has all been incorporated. And you can hear my oven just went off. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I have my marinara sauce. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the bottom of my pan with a little sauce so that the rollatini doesn't stick. Okay, so I have a little light coating at the bottom. And we'll keep that here and set that aside. And now we're going to stop, stuff, and roll. All right, we're going to begin with our eggplant slices that have already been cooked. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the wide side toward you. On our eggplant rollatini, and we're going to top it off with our fresh marinara sauce right down the center. So I like to just put the sauce down the center so it doesn't take over the dish. And now we're going to top it off with some grated cheese. You can use Pecorino Romano. Okay. Love cheese. This is so yummy. And you can prepare this ahead of time for a party. It's delicious. And it really is easy. Just several steps involved. You're going to top it off then with some mozzarella, shredded mozzarella. We'll be generous with that. And then some fresh basil right on top of that. Looks so pretty. And of course, a little more fresh pepper. A little bit of salt just to top it off. And a nice little basil garnish. And there you have it. And we're finished with our eggplant rollatini. Buon appetito. Ciao.